just finished recharging the battery for the Stihl mower. This is the AP300, and you can see on one charge, I covered all of this part of my backyard that was buried in this deer grass to this level. So I'm going to continue going with the fresh charge, but I'm going to show you guys that after a year, I can still do a whole lot with this. And I'll just make sure that it's clear over here. Hey, what are you doing in my grass? Get out of the way. I'm going to mow over here. Safety first, right? So let's go ahead and see how well this works. I'm still using the bag because it's so deep that I don't want to mulch this much and kill what's left. Still sounds great to me. And let's head for the deep stuff. You can hear the eco setting lowering the speed of the blade when it's not going up against all that underbrush. That took a little effort. Now with playground equipment, sometimes you need a little something extra. So give me just a second. So I got a new Stihl piece of equipment, the FSA 85 string trimmer, which uses the exact same battery as the mower. So I can just finish up one job and move to the other. See if I got this the right way. There we go. And then I can clean up the mess around here. Good speed. And it reaches where the mower can't go. What's really nice here is when I get down to just a teeny little bit of string, all I gotta do is bump it and we have more string to work with. Cuts right through it, nice and easy. I'll see you next time. And one more thing. When your wife tells you to mow the lawn, she doesn't need to tell you more than once every 6 months. See?